the ultimate power plug. Charge 5 devices, anywhere on Earth. Ever landed in a new country only to realize your charger is as useless as a chocolate teapot? Say hello to the Anker Nano Travel Adapter, the 5-in-1 global powerhouse that keeps your gadgets juiced up in over 200 countries. With one AC outlet, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, this sleek adapter lets you charge 5 devices at once, because let's face it, one charger is never enough. Super compact, ultra-portable, and designed with built-in safety features, this adapter is your ticket to stress-free travel. No more scrambling for outlets, just plug in, power up, and enjoy the ride. What makes the Anker Nano Travel Adapter stand out? Speed. One of its USB-C ports delivers 20 watts fast charging, zapping your iPhone from 0 to 50% in just 28 minutes. Unlike those sluggish, hotel room adapters that take forever, this one ensures you're always powered up and ready to go. Need to charge your laptop, phone, tablet, earbuds, and camera all at once? No problem. The intelligent power distribution ensures each device gets the juice it needs, without frying your tech. It's Anker-tested, travel-approved, and built for the modern traveler who doesn't have time to wait. Size matters, especially when you're packing light. Unlike bulky adapters that hog precious luggage space, this Anker Travel Essential is 43% smaller than comparable models. Retractable and foldable pins make it super compact, slipping effortlessly into your bag, pocket, or even that ridiculously tiny airplane seat pouch. Whether you're backpacking through Europe, flying across the Pacific, or just hopping from one meeting to another, this adapter won't weigh you down. More space for souvenirs, less hassle with tangled wires, win-win. Your safety matters. Unlike sketchy, no-name travel adapters that spark, overheat, or worse, this one features smart temperature control and a safe 2-pin to 2-pin setup, reducing the risk of electric shocks. No voltage conversion? No problem. As long as your device supports the local voltage, you're good to go. Designed by Anker, the global leader in charging tech, you can trust that this adapter won't let you down. Travel worry-free, knowing your devices and fingers are safe from electrical nightmares. Why waste money on overpriced, single-use adapters when you can invest in one that does it all? The Anker Nano Travel Adapter is durable, reliable, and backed by an 18-month warranty, because Anker doesn't do flimsy. Whether you're a digital nomad, a jet-setting executive, or just someone who hates low battery anxiety, this is the only travel adapter you'll ever need. Plug in, power up, and conquer the world, one charged device at a time.